Oh! Uh-oh, somebody's got a frowny face.
Ooh, better luck next time. Okay, my turn.
So where do you want to go? Okay.
This is me one day with Alzheimer's. This is me one day with Alzheimer's. This is me one day with Alzheimer's. Day one of having Alzheimer's.
I need to borrow a suitcase.
Okay,
I'm running away. Tonight.
cool. Where to?
Oh, you know, Africa.
Hey, is that your ex up there on that building about to jump? I think you're right. What in the... Should we call 911? Yeah, hold on a second. Do a flip!